ihe ọbụla a na-eme ọ bụ na ụmụ nwaanyị anyị bụ ndị nna anyị bụ ndị nwunye anyị nọrọ ya na onwe ka o si adị m ga-eji ya bụ ohere kpọnite nnukwu nna anyị mabụrụkwa ada anyị nwaanyị bụ Lolo Kate Ezeofor.
Ndị isi Igbo m ikpere m eruo ala, Ohanaeze Ndiigbo, leadership past, present, and future. I must say that Ohanaeze Ndiigbo have gone a long way. In the past, the Igwe that reported first at the meeting became the chairman of that particular meeting. There was no continuity. Umuadi Igbo, Nigeria, and the diaspora, under my leadership, advised Ohanaeze that as long as the meeting was only in Enugu with elites, and that the generality of Ndiigbo will not take Ohanaeze serious. That Ohanaeze should have national, state, local government, and town union branches. If that was done, Ohanaeze will be taken serious as mouthpiece of Ndiigbo. At that period, there were many Igbo organizations attacking one another. We, Umuadi Igbo Nigeria and the diaspora, called a meeting at the house of Ezeofor and Lolo Ezeofor at Independence Layout, our house. We told them that we are embarrassed hearing and seeing them abusing one another, and telling people that Ohanaeze Ndiigbo has no meaning. We told them to choose one organization that will be the mouthpiece of Ndiigbo. Chief Chekwas Okorie stated that it should be Ohanaeze Ndiigbo. And when we came back to Ohanaeze Ndiigbo meeting, we told them, gave them what we discussed with those leaders. Yes, then Justice Ezeofor was elected, and he did well. And they then started rotatory general presidents, Joy Ruku, Abia, Dr. Dozie Ikedife, Anambra, Ambassador Iweche, Delta, Chief Gary Igarewe, Ebonyi. They did well. President Ohanaeze Ndiigbo is good. I was a member of the electoral committee that saw to the election of Chief Barrister Nyanwodu as President General and other officers. What I am saying in actual fact, since the bell is ringing, that Ohanaeze Ndiigbo now is doing well. That at the meetings of Southeast, Southwest, all of them, Nyanwodu is called to be the spokesman. Ifedina Anibu on the 4-year thing, tenure of President General of Ohanaeze Ndiigbo. Is it the Ohanaeze 4 years certain ideal? Or if a President General who performed well may be allowed a second tenure? Well, future. The Igbo land is filled with people of integrity who are prepared to settle, to give service to Igbo land. Such people should be called to lead. A President General of Ohanaeze Ndiigbo shall not carry a party card. And I am, and should be not neutral. I'm saying Ndiigbo, support Ohanaeze Ndiigbo morally, financially, and otherwise. Kate Ezeofor.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Welcome to Njenje Media